So in today's video, we're going to look at the functions within Excel called left, right, and mid. So here we have some data with some fake phone numbers. So let's start off and say we want to get out the area code. Now, obviously in the sample data, it's all 555, but we're going to use the left function to get that out. Now, because we know the area code with the parentheses is the first 5 characters of the cell, we can use the left function to say equals left A2, which is the cell, comma 5. That will show us the first 5 characters in that cell. So if we copy that all the way down, obviously we get the same area code for every one of these because the sample's in the same area code, but they will all come back with those first 5. Now let's get the main part of the phone number. Now, the main part of the phone number here starts on the 6th character in. So that 1 in 123 is the 6th character in after the 555 parentheses in the space. And then it extends 9 characters. So obviously there's 8 numbers and a dash in there. So what we've done here is we've said, show me the mid of that cell starting in character position number 6 and then extending 9 characters after that. And that will give us a phone number. So we can copy that down, and we've got all the phone numbers from the exchange in the main part of the phone number. Now, to get the extension out of this, we know that this is the last 7 characters. So EXT, the space, and then the 3-digit extension is the last 7 characters of this. So we're going to do equals right, and then A2, which is the cell, and then 7. Now, because we don't actually need the EXT in space, we can actually shorten this down just to 3. And that will give us just the extension. Now, the last thing we're going to do to clean up this a little bit is to remove the parentheses. Now, of course, we could just copy and paste special this column and then remove them manually with a replace on the whole column. But let's use a formula. So here we're going to use substitute. So we've got 2 embedded substitute. One is going to remove the closing parenthesis, and one's going to remove the opening parenthesis, and they're both being replaced by nothing. So that is removing the parenthesis, and then we can copy that down. So here you go. You've got left, mid, and right being used to extract data from one cell.